Dear students, the previous class we started to solve a single problem. Today we are going to see many problems which are past arches. Sum number 2. Let A set of all x belongs to R. X is not a positive integer. Define a function f from A to R as f of x equal to 2x by x square minus 1 then f is surjective but not injective. Injective but not surjective. Option C. Not injective. Option D. Neither injective nor surjective. F of x is given as 2x by x minus 1. X is not a positive integer. Therefore, f of 0 equal to 0. For x less than 0, for x less than 0, f of x belongs to 0, 2. You take any value, any negative value, you substitute. The maximum value will be less than 2, that is open interval 2. You will not get the value 2 exactly. Nearest to 2. Since domain is a real numbers, so the number before 2, not an integer, it's a real number. So it will not reach 2, but less than 2. So the range belongs to 0, 2. Suppose if you take minus 1 or minus 2, so minus 4 by minus, that is 4 by 3, 1 point something like that. You can calculate, but the value will be greater than 0. Since a negative value, here minus is plus. So other than 0, because when x takes 0, f of 0 equals 0. When x is less than 0, the value will be greater than 0, but less than 2. You take any value, you will get between 0 and 2. So range belongs to 0, 2 only, not on R, not to R. R means whole real number. So 0, 2 is a subset of R. Therefore, there are many elements in R which does not have pre-image. Therefore, F is not onto. That is, F is not surjective. One means injective, onto means surjective. F is not surjective. F of x1 equal to f of x2 implies 2x1 by x1 minus 1 equal to 2x2 by x2 minus 1. x1 x2 minus x1, x1 x2 minus x2. Minus x1 equal to minus x2, which implies x1 equal to x2. Since the two images are different, the elements are images are equal, the elements are also equal, which means different images have different elements, equal images have equal elements, which implies F is 1 1. So F is injective, but not surjective. Next sum. In a class of 140 students, numbered 1 to 140, all even numbered students opted mathematics. Mathematics course. Those whose number is divisible by 3 after physics. Physics course, and those whose number is divisible by 5 after chemistry course. Then the number of students who did not opt for any of 3 courses is option A 102, option B 38, option C 1, option D 42. So there are 140 students. They are numbered 1 to 140. Even number of students opted mathematics course. The numbers which are divisible by 3 opted physics course, whose numbers are divisible by 5 opted chemistry course. Then the number of students who did not opt for any of 3 courses we have to find. So total number of students hundred and 40. Even numbers 2, 4, 6, 40. So n of m, that is 70. M means mathematics course. Number of students in maths course, that is there are 70 even numbers, 70. Numbers divisible by 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, like that. "46. Sorry, 138. 138. There will be 46 numbers in this series. So n of physics equal to 46. So numbers divisible by 5 or 5, 10, 15, 20 up to 140. We can find 28 numbers there. So there are 28 numbers in this series. So n of c equal to 28. Even numbers which are divisible by 3. Number should be even as well, it should be divisible by 3. 6, 12, 18, 24, and 138. We can find 23 numbers, 1 into 6, 2 into 6, 12, 3 into 6, 18 like that. 23 into 6, 138. So n of even number as well divisible by 3. That is mass intersection physics, that is 23. Next, even numbers which are divisible by 5, that is 10, 20, 30 up to 140. There will be 14 terms there. So n of mass intersection chemistry, that is 14. Numbers divisible by 3 and 5, 15, 13, 30, 45, 60, 75 like that. $135. There will be 9 tabs. Therefore, n of 3, the physics intersection chemistry equal to 9. 9 into 15, 135. Next, even numbers which are divisible by 3 and 5. That is 30, 60, 90, 120. So, n of mass intersection physics intersection chemistry equal to 4. N of M union P union C. N of M into N of P into N of C minus N of mass intersection physics, N of physics intersection chemistry, N of chemistry intersection mass plus N of mass intersection physics intersection chemistry. That is 70 plus 46 plus 28 for 23 minus 4 minus 9 minus 14 plus 4, that is 144 minus 46 plus 4, 148 minus 46, 102. The number of students who did not opt for any course is equal to total number of students minus n of mass union physics union chemistry. (140 minus 102), that is 38. Let n be the set of natural numbers on two functions F and G are defined as F and G defined from n to n such that f of n equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, n by 2 if n is even, and g of n equal to n minus minus 1 whole power n. Then the product f and g, f product g is both 1 1 and on 2. Option B 1 1 but not on 2. Neither 1 1 not on 2 on 2 but not 1 1. So f of n equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, n by 2 if n is even. So it's the given statement. G of n n minus minus 1 whole power n equal to if it is odd, what will happen? N minus odd power will give you the answer minus 1, minus minus plus 1, that is n plus 1 if n is odd. So minus 1 whole power n is equal to plus 1 when n is even. So it will become n minus 1, that is n minus 1 if n is even. F f of g of n when n plus 1 is, when n is odd, n plus 1 will be even. So g of n, this is even. When this term is even, we got to put n by 2. n is even, then n minus 1 odd. When n is odd, when this term is odd, see, if n is even, n minus 1 odd. So g of n is odd number, f of odd number equal to n plus 1 by 2. If n is odd. Let's n be even, which implies n minus 1 is odd. When n is even, f of g of n equal to n by 2. F of g of, I take another number n minus 1, what will happen? N is odd, therefore you have to substitute here. N minus 1 plus 1 by 2, again n by 2. So g of n minus 1, n minus 1, there are two different numbers, but it gives you the same answer, n by 2. Therefore f of g of n is not 1 1. 1 1 means if the elements are, the images are different, the elements should be different. We have different images, but we have same different images, we have same element as answer. Therefore f of g of n is not 1 1. Let's f of g of n equal to y equal to n plus 1 by 2, n by 2. N is odd, n is even. Y equal to n plus 1 by 2, which implies 2y equal to n plus 1. 2y minus 1 equal to n. When n is odd, because we have taken this relation. When n is even, y equal to n by 2, which implies 2y equal to n. So when n is even, we get 2i, that is multiple of 2, that is even number, get the answer. When n is odd, get the number 2i minus 1, that is odd number. That means for every y, there is either the y can be even or odd, there is n. Therefore, for every y there exists, y means the image, for every image there exists pre-image. When y is even, we get n. When n is odd, 2y minus 1, we get number n. So there is a pre-image. For every y, there exists pre-image. Therefore, f of g of n from n to n is onto function. Option D. It's not 1 1 but onto. Let f is a function from R to R. Be denoted by f of x equal to x by x square plus 1. X belongs to R. Then the range of f is so there are 4 options. So f of x equal to x by x square plus 1. So we have to check whether it is an odd function or even function. We take f of minus x by minus x whole square plus 1, that is minus x by x square plus 1 equal to minus into this is f of x. F of minus x equal to plus minus f of x, which implies f of x is an odd function. You remember this, f of minus x equal to plus f of x, which implies f is even. f of minus x equal to minus into f of x, which implies f is very important. In this case, f of x is an odd function. Also, the function for r to r, I take f of 0. 0 means the answer 0. F of 0 is equal to 0. So you have to find the range. So you have found f of 0 equal to 0 as x less than 0. So when x greater than 0, x by so positive this is greater than 0 belongs to 0 comma you take any value. When x takes 1 plus 1 2, that is 1 by 2. Suppose take 2 plus 1 by 2, 2 plus 3 by 2, that is 2 by 3. This belongs to only zero comma half closed. Suppose to take 5 plus 1 by 5, 26 by 5, but 1 by 26 by, that is 5 by 26, very lesser value, less than half. Suppose take 3 plus 1 by 3, 10 by 3, that is, for this 1 by 10 by 3, it will become 3 by 10, 0.3. So it will reach 1 by 2 when x takes 1 only. Otherwise, all the values will be less than 1 by 2. When x is less than 0, f of x is the same concept, 1 by x plus 1 by x. When x takes minus 1, here also minus 1, minus 1 by 2. So it will attain minus 1 by 2 included. 0 will not happen. So 0 does not include, 0 does not included, but we know f of 0 equal to 0 we have already found. Therefore, when x is greater than 0, starting from 0 to half, here minus half to 0, when it is 0, 0. Therefore, range of f of x is minus 1 by 2 to minus half to plus half. let S equal to 1 2 3 up to 100. The number of non-empty subsets of A of S such that the product of elements in A is even is 2 per 50 250 minus 1 2 per 50 minus 1 2 per 50 plus 1 2 per 100 minus 1. Total number of subsets. Then since the set has 100 elements, number of subsets, that is 2 power n, that is 2 power 100. Number of subsets in a set which has 100 elements is 2 power n, that is 2 power 100. The number of non-empty subsets of A of S such that the product in elements in A is even equal to total number of subsets minus subsets with product of elements is odd. So total number of subsets 2 power 100, but non-empty subsets, that is you have to minus one empty empty set is one of the subset, therefore we have to subtract 1 minus subsets, the product of elements is odd. So 50 elements will be, product will be even, 50 elements whose product will be odd. That is, here also we take 2 power 50 on eliminating empty set. So 2 power 100 minus 1 minus 2 power 50 plus 1. This will be cancelled. So 2 power 100 minus 2 power 50. 2 power 50 to 2 power 50 minus 1. Answer option A. Let Z be the set of integers. If A equal to set of all x belongs to Z such that 2 power x plus 2 into x squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to 1. And B equal to set of all x belongs to Z such that minus 3 less than 2x minus 1 less than 9. Then the number of subsets of A cross B is option A 2 power 18, option B 2 power 12, option C 2 power 15, option D 2 power 10. To find this, first we have to find number of elements in A as well number of elements in B. Then A cross B we can find. Then n of A cross B we can find. A cross we can find. Then subsets of A cross B, subset of A cross B we can find easily. So set condition for the elements in A satisfies, the elements in A satisfies this condition. So 1 can be written as 2 power 0, which means x plus 2 into x squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. X plus 2, x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0, which implies x equal to minus 2 plus 2 plus 3. So set here A has 3 elements n of a equal to 3. Next, we consider set B. Set of all x belongs to Z such that minus 3 less than 2x minus 1 less than 9. Minus 3 less than 2x minus 1 less than 9. Minus 3 plus 1 less than 2x less than 9 plus 1. Minus 2 less than 2x less than 10 divided by 2. Minus 1 less than x less than 5, which means x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So n of v equal to 5 elements. N of a cross b, n of a into n of b, n of a 3, here 5, 15 elements. Therefore, number of subsets of A cross B is 2 power n. Here we have 15. That is 2 power 15. Option C. So we have seen today's 6 sums, previously 27 sums we have seen. All sums have been asked in past year questions. They are online papers questions. Okay. So we are solving previously asked questions first. Then we will discuss more problems. Practice, go through all definitions without failure. Thank you.